Hey guys, welcome to Ivon's kitchen, and so today we are preparing crab forminhas. In my last video, you saw how to make veg forminhas, and this video you'll see a twist with crab meat. It is very delicious recipe and y'all should definitely try it. And now let's see how to prepare it. First, in hot pan add oil. Then add 4 chopped garlic cloves and fry this for few seconds. Then add 20 to 25 curry leaves chopped. Add 2 large chopped onions and fry this until onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 large tomato chopped. Fry it until tomato is soft. Add 300 gram crab meat or 2 tin crab meat and give this a nice mix. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, then add half tablespoon Goan vinegar. Add some salt to taste. Fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then remove this in a separate plate and use the same pan. Then add some oil in the hot pan. Add 2 tablespoons Goan RENCHEADO masala and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 4 tablespoons Maggie hot and sweet sauce. Add 1 teaspoon light soya sauce and cook it until nice and thick. Then add 2 stock cubes and give this a nice mix. Then add the crab mixture in the sauce and give this a nice mix and cook it until nice and thick. Then add half cup medium cheddar cheese and mix it until cheese is nicely melted. Then add some chopped coriander leaves. Crab mixture is ready now. Then place some forminhas on baking tray and fill it with crab mixture. Be generous with the crab mix. Then top it up with cheddar cheese. Bake it at 180 degrees until cheese is nicely melted. These tarts are perfectly cooked. Make sure the cheese melts something like this. Then serve and enjoy. Now my crab forminhas are ready to serve. Guys, I hope you all like this dish and do try this recipe at home. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Please do comment and let me know what you all want me to prepare next. Thanks for watching my recipe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.